Market Regulator Securities and Exchange Board of India (SEBI) on Wednesday restrained CNBC Awaaz anchor Hemant Ghai, his wife and mother from accessing securities market over charges of fraudulent trading. Ghai hosts the Stock BCB's show on its channel. The regulator said that Ghai had advance information about a recommendation to be made on the show and that he indirectly used it to his advantage. In order to protect the interests of the investors and the integrity of the securities market, SEBI has restrained Hemant Ghai and his wife, Jaya Hemant Ghai, and mother Shyam Mohini Ghai from buying, selling or dealing in securities, either directly or indirectly, in any manner whatsoever till further directions. In addition, he has been arrested to cease and desist from undertaking any activity related to giving investment advice, publishing and research reports related to the securities market, till further directions. The bank accounts of Hemant Ghai and his family have also been frozen for debit till further orders. If the aforesaid entities have any open positions in any exchange-traded derivative contracts, as on the date of the order, they can close out square off such open positions within 10 months from the date of order or at the expiry of such contracts, whichever is earlier. The aforesaid entities are permitted to settle the pay-in and payout obligations in respect of transactions, if any, which have taken place before the close of trading on the date of this order, SEBI said in an interim order. Hemant Ghai shall cease and desist from undertaking, directly or indirectly, any activity related to giving investment advice, sell or buy recommendations, publishing and research reports etc., related to the securities market, till further directions, it added. Besides, Hemant Ghai and his family have been arrested to provide a full inventory of all assets held in their name, jointly or severally, whether movable or immovable, or any interest or investment or charge on any of such assets, including details of all bank accounts, demat accounts and mutual fund investments, immediately but not later than 5 working days from the date of receipt of this order. They have also been arrested not to dispose of any assets, whether movable or immovable, or any interest or investment or charge on any of such assets, held in their name, jointly or separately, including money lying in bank accounts, except with the prior permission of SEBI until the impounded amount is deposited in the escrow. The depositories, registrar and transfer agents have also been arrested to ensure that till further directions, no credits are made in the demat accounts of the entities held jointly or solely. SEBI said that the above directions shall take effect immediately and shall be in force until further orders. A copy of this order will be served upon all recognized stock exchanges, depositories, banks, registrar and share transfer agents to ensure compliance with the above directions. CNBC TV 18 is also advised to appropriately bring to the notice of the viewers of the shows co-hosted by Hemant Ghai that SEBI has passed an interim order against him for prima facie violations of SEBI, prohibition of fraudulent and unfair trade practices relating to securities market regulations, 2003, the order noted. SEBI, prima facie, found that Hemant along with his wife Jaya Hemant Ghai and mother Shyam Mohini Ghai employed a scheme to conduct fraudulent or unfair trading based on the advance information pertaining to recommendations to be made in the show Stock BCBs. On analysis of the trading pattern in the trading account of Jaya Hemant Ghai and Shyam Mohini Ghai for the period between 1 January 2019 and 31 May 2020, high correlation of their trades was observed with the stocks recommended in the show. It thereby generated the proceeds of 2.95 crore rupees by carrying out fraudulent trading in respect of recommended stocks. The regulator found that shares were consistently purchased in the trading accounts of Hemant Ghai's wife and mother on day prior to the day of recommendation on the show. To capture the significant benefits from the price movement caused by the recommendations on the show, they then sold their shares as soon as the market opened on the day of the recommendation and consequently earned profits and perpetrated a fraud upon the market and the viewers of the show, it added. Hemant was prima facie using the trading accounts of his wife and mother. Besides, Jaya Hemant Ghai and Shyam Mohini Ghai are also liable for the violations related to the trades done facilitated in their accounts by him. Hemantu Ghai was hosting and co-hosting various shows such as Stock BCBs, Munif Ki Tiyari Pehle Soda and Kamai Ka Ad. Stock BCBs is described as a show that features recommendations on certain stocks to be bought and sold during the day. These anchors say on live TV to sell stocks belonging to Indian government. This is sedition, directly affecting government treasury or cause huge losses to retail investors like If You Agree.